My name is Gage Hensley. I am a student at Gull Lake High School, and I am currently taking video game development class. Um, Last time we I went over um, the user interface. I got about halfway done with that. This time it's fully complete, and I started on publishing your project, which is mostly just optimization stuff, at least for now. Um, so I guess there's nothing better to do than just hop in and show you what the user interface looks like now. So, oh, wrong button. There we go. So I'll go over everything. So last time we went over how, oh yeah, you can click on the things and they blow up. Well, now there's a title screen, which for the game manager, this code is very long. Well, it's not very long, but it's complicated. So, um, this choose the spawn rate of different things, and like the title screen goes away when the game starts, and I think it's in a different script, but it when the difficulty in another script changes, this changes by the difficulty, so it gets like 2 times harder and then 3 times harder, depending on what difficulty you press. Target script. This is all this is just clicking on the targets and they give you points, and also they go away if the game hasn't started yet or if the game has ended and they stop spawning. Difficulty button. This when it's clicked, it sets the difficulty to whatever you press. We use a button for that, and then we just have a little debug to know what you selected. Public int difficulty. This is what connects with this. I'll go and demo it for you right now, but yeah, all this is a button. All these are on the canvas, which the title screen is all this. So all we need to do is when we say get rid of title screen, it gets rid of all this instead of having to get rid of each individual one. So eye popper, easy. A lot of skulls. Now what I don't like about it is that these can collide with each other instead of going through each other, which makes it pretty cheap. Like you could lose in a pretty cheap way, because one can like see one must have spawned, but it was like spawned right under another one, and it just fell immediately back down, and we couldn't even see it appear on the screen. Restart. I have medium difficulty. It's gonna spawn 2 times as fast. See? Game over. I didn't even miss one. Hard. I mean, this is like impossible. Look at this. Oh, look what I did. Yeah. So this is this game. I will now go and switch over. We're actually gonna go back to. Well, hang on. We're gonna go back to discard changes. Discard all the changes. Thank you. We're gonna go back to player control, which is the first ever unit, because for Unit 6, we go back to our old projects and we revise them. So now prototype 1 should be back. Yep. Cool. Okay, fine. I guess I just won't close that then. Put the library in prototype 1, and then prototype 1. There we go. So, like I said, a lot of optimization. Matter of fact, while it's loading up, I can show you the Unity website that I'm using for the training. It's optimization. We are just adding stuff to the code that makes it easier and less laggy and less choppy. And then I'm not done with this section yet. The second section is working on the second game on here, which, if you recall, is the farmer shooter, like shoots the animals with, I think it was bananas. I had him shoot at the animals. But yeah, it's that game. We're gonna have to optimize that at some point. It's taking a while to load. No, we're gonna go off script. Oh, is it loading? Okay, I was about to show you my GitHub while we wait, but it looks like it's about to load. But yeah, I didn't notice much change, to be honest, when I did this optimization, but the thing does say that it won't be really noticeable in these smaller objects, but if it's a large object, you'll really see the difference, like right here. Type 1. So yeah, this is the very first project. So, as you can see, it doesn't look like that much has changed. It's exactly how we left it. But for some reason, I don't get why they did this. But it said to make a secondary camera, hide your main camera, and put your secondary camera in the front of the vehicle, so it's like first person. Notice how choppy it is. Change the code on the camera, and then reactivate the main camera and hide the secondary camera. I don't understand why they did that. Why couldn't we just do the main camera if we're just gonna get rid of the secondary camera anyway? But oh, come on, scripts. So yeah, it's just said to add these. And what that does is, if I click on vehicle, it has all this stuff here. And then you can change the offset of the camera. So I can make it so it's like speed is like 240.
So that one was a lot quicker than this next one I'm going to show you.
And so now you can change it right from there. Now we're like very fast. Like it's not even registering. I'm just phasing through them. And if anyone here has played Rocket League, I'm about to do something. Let me see where I'm going.
That's different. Can't say I've seen that before. Oh, my stuff is gone. Alright, my previous video shows that
Land it.
stuff and I had it. Do I still have the
Land it. Oh, we're flying.
Yeah, I still have prefabs, okay. No, I did it right. It's just... That's interesting.
Oh, we're going to the moon.
Alright, so I guess we're skipping that today, which is great. That sucks, man. Okay. Cool. Just go into the second project. That was...
Okay, enough of that. So that's all that I really did. Again, I will show you my
Head over to
GitHub.
publishing it.
Get this out of my secondary monitor so I can see what I'm doing.
It looks long.
Um,
It was quick.
my GitHub. Actually, I can go right from the website because it's easier from there. GitHub. Yeah, so check out my GitHub. Everything I
For me, was
put here so you can check.
I think it was
There's your interface.
that was the
You can see inside of there.
it was player control.
All the nitty gritty.
Basically, at a serialized field.
Next time, I hope to get this done. This should be pretty easy. And move on to scene flow and data next time. That's pretty much it. For
And a lot of these,
today.
stuff and
Check back next time, and we should hopefully have publishing your project done. Thank you for following me along on this journey. I really appreciate it. And yeah, take care, guys. Goodbye.